You'll love this 2010 Dodge Challenger. This is a car you'll want to take home. With 40 miles, it features manual transmission and an exterior color accord. Call us and be the first to open the car door today.